Alright, my GoPro just took a dump on me, so whatever. I'm going to show you how I restore headlights. The simple, easy, you ain't got to buy. It's like 10 bucks. This stuff right here, McGuire's, that's all you need. And sandpaper. That's it. Let me show you something. I bought this car in January. This is what the headlights look like and the fog lights. I never got around to doing this. Call me lazy. I did the headlights. See how dirty they look? You know, you got a lot of bug and grime on them, but they're still clear. That was 9 months ago when I applied this stuff. When you sandpaper it, this is what it looks like. Real hazy, nasty stuff. And after you put 2 coats of that, look how clean that looks. And it lasts for 9 months at least. Daily driver, thousands of miles. Look at that. And let me show you. Read the instructions, apply a couple coats. That's just 1 coat. You're supposed to do it wet. Supposed to let it sit for a minute. That's it. Look at that. Look, just like that. They still look good 9 months later. I just finally got around to doing them. But look, it still looks good. You gotta buy all that fancy stuff. Ain't nobody got time for that. Just a little bit of water. Oh, let me grab this. I couldn't find my sanding block either. Just lightly do it. Now I started with 1200. You can go down to like 800 and work your way up, and you go as high and grit as you want to. Just, I ain't got time for all that mess. This ain't no competition car. It ain't no car show car either, whatever you want to call it. That's all you gotta do. Really good, dry them off. You know, you can feel it getting smooth. And that's all you gotta do, man. Simple, quick. I ain't gonna make this video no longer than it needs to be. But that's all you gotta do. Made by McGuire's headlight coating. That's it.